Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Candid Living. Today I am going to share a unique recipe of crispy snacks that is made out of pumpkin flour. This is actually my mom's recipe prepared by herself. So let's get started. To make this, first of all we need fresh pumpkin flour like this. Then we need to make a paste of soaked rice, half cup, and 7 to 8 cloves of garlic like this. Use water to make runny consistency of paste. After cutting, wash the flowers thoroughly. Arrange 3 petals of flower together. As you can see, wrap a little bit and squeeze extra amount of water from the flowers. In this way, all the flowers are ready to dip in the batter. Now take the paste that we have made and put some salt, turmeric and garam masala into it and mix it well. Now heat the kadhai and put some oil needed to fry the pumpkin flowers. Slowly put the arranged flowers in the paste, wrap it properly and put it in the kadhai to fry. While doing this, the gas should be in the medium flame. Put the flowers one by one like this and flip it from time to time. You can enjoy this recipe either during tea time or in your meals. So here is the final result of what we have made. Friends, you can try this recipe in your home and let me know about your experience. Enjoy your day by making this and serve this to your loved near and dear ones. Hope you like my video. For more such type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.